Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the error Setup was unable to create a new partition or locate an existing one during Windows installation. This problem usually happens because of incorrect drive configuration or multiple storage devices connected. First, disconnect any extra hard drives or USB storage devices except the Windows installation USB. Having multiple drives connected can confuse the installer. Once disconnected, restart the installation process. When you reach the partition screen, press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. Type diskpart and press Enter. Then type List Disk to see your drives. Select your main drive by typing Select Disk 0 or the number that matches your target drive. Next, type Clean and press Enter. This will erase all partitions on that drive, so make sure you've backed up important data beforehand. After that, type Create Partition Primary, then format fs equals ntfs quick, and finally type Exit twice to close Command Prompt. Refresh the partition screen, select the newly created partition, and click Next. If the error still appears, enter your BIOS settings and ensure the storage mode is set correctly, usually AHCI. Also confirm that your boot mode matches your installation type, either UEFI or Legacy. After applying these steps, Windows Setup should be able to create and detect the partition successfully without errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.